Hey everyone, in today's quick video, I just wanted to show you how to open a RAR file, a .rar file. So if you see a file like this on your Mac and you don't know what to do with it, I'm going to show you how to open it. If you see this sign here, this logo, this is because I have VLC installed, which is a media player. So that's not going to help me in this case. I need to download a free app to get this done. So I'm going to make sure that I go to the Apple Store here, the App Store. And here I'm just going to search for the Unarchiver. That's the app that I'm looking to get to unarchive the RAR file. So I'm going to go ahead and get that. And I'm going to install it. This is absolutely free and it works perfectly. There's a couple of different apps as well that are going to show up here that do the trick, but let's open this one. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So now let me just go ahead and minimize here the App Store. So this is the preference window. You don't have to do anything here. This is the RAR file that I'm going to open up. I'm going to click this to make sure the Unarchiver is selected. I'm going to come to File and I'm going to say Unarchive to Desktop. You could do current folder or other folders as well. I'll just do Desktop. It will show up right in the desktop. And I'm going to choose this file right here. This is the file I'm choosing. Press Unarchive right here. And let me bring it over here next to this one. And this is the folder. So the unarchiving this gave me this folder. I could go ahead and open this folder, see what's in there. In this case, it's just a bunch of pre-composed PNG files. But really, it could be anything. If you get this from an email that you don't know, please don't open it this way. This could be a virus. But if you know what the sender is, where it came from, maybe it could be a game. Maybe it could be, in this case, just a bunch of PNGs or JPEGs or something like that. Then that's fine. This system does open it just fine. But just make sure you know what you're doing here with opening a RAR file and expanding it here on your desktop. But it's that simple. This app obviously does a lot more other formats like zip files and so on, but hopefully it saves you some headache from opening a RAR file. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos posted 365 days a year, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.